What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right here I am going to be making a miniature of Abaddon. Now, if you have not checked out my other Abaddon figure, that is for the 6-inch and bigger figures. While this one will stick with the mini figures that I have done over the years. So what we're going to need is a spider. And I have this spider right here that I think would do pretty good in scale. Next, we're going to also need another spider, and that is this one right here. Now, granted, I do not remember where I got this spider from. I have had this spider for many, many years, and I have no idea where or how I ended up getting it. So if anybody knows where this spider comes from, like from a pack or like book or anything, because it has this hole right here for something, but I don't know what it was for. Let me know in the comments if y'all have ever seen this or have this spider. But what we're going to do is remove these legs and put them on this spider right here and use this one for our body. So let's go on and get started. Alright, the MAC varnish has dried. Now, before y'all ask, yes, this was painted when the big one and the other one was painted. I painted them all at the same time. But thank you for whoever is watching this video, if the camera would stay focused. But before y'all ask, yes, I know he does not really have a long neck or a neck at all. I did not know this at first because I started working on this beforehand because I couldn't find the right spider for the first one. So looking at like the commercials and stuff that we did get, it looked like he did have a neck. So time I found out it didn't, it was too late to like break it off or like redo it. So this is just how it came out. But other than that, everything else kind of did turn out okay. I mean, the back end could have been a little bit bigger. But like I said, I was going by commercials when I was doing this one. But I don't think I did too bad. I know I did pretty bad, especially on the skulls being smushed in. Granted, the angles and everything that we got before the game release or anything else came out, this is what I had going on. Now to bring in the 3D model, and yes, this will be also in the descriptions below if you did not see it in the first one. And mine is kind of bad, but I know a lot of y'all are probably a little bit better at sculpting and everything than I am, so this was like a rough graph. If you don't have a 3D printer, you could do like mostly what I did, but fix it up probably. But go and move that out the way. Now for size, this kind of works better with like the mini figures, just like the one I just pulled out was printed the size for this Kong because I don't have a big printer right now. But I think it still did an okay. I got most of the detail and everything that Abaddon has. So I'm going to move that out the way. Now, just the show, here's the other one right here. Grant time I did get the chance to work on this one, and I forgot to say this in that video. This was a couple weeks after I already started working on this one because I just have not found the spider body, and then when I found it, I started going back and forth between them. So that's mostly what took so long on these videos, and I'm sorry. But let me know in the comments what y'all think. Did I do really bad or just somewhat bad? I'll let y'all decide in the comments. But thank you for watching though, and I hope to see everybody next time.